Dial extension handset 5001. Wait. Calling. External handset. Pick up handset. Dial. Calling. External incoming call handset. Pick up handset. Closer, Lou. Okay. Thank you, sir. Drop ko na. How to call internal. Dial extension 5. Dial extension. Dial. Hello. End call. Call external speaker.
Welcome to Velox Networks. If you know the extension of the person you wish to contact, please enter it now. Otherwise, for sales,
Can increase
press 1.
volume.
For support, press 2. For finance, press 3. For administration,
Incoming call, switch to speaker. Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Let me put you on speaker. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can hear you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to increase, decrease volume. External incoming call, answer speaker. Sir Louis, can you hear me?
Sir, can.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mute. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, can hear you.
I will mute.
Hi.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
No, I can't hear you
Hello,
now.
hello. Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, can hear now.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hold. Hello? Hi, sir. I will put you on hold. Okay, putting back. Hi, sir. Can you hear me now? Okay. Bye, sir. Thank you. Hello, sir. Can you hear me? I'll put you on speaker. I'll transfer you, sir.
Hi, sir.
Dial transfer. blind transfer. Calling 2 lines and attended transfer. Hello? Sir Louis? Okay, I will call Jerome. Hello, Sir Jerome? Okay, I will transfer you to the other line. Conference. Hello, sir. Okay, I'll put you on speaker. I'll call Jerome.
Sure.
Hello, Sir Jerome.
Yes, sir.
I'll conference you.
Okay.
Hello, Sir Jerome, Sir Louis.
Hello, sir. Yes, can hear.
Can hear? Okay. Thank you. Call.
Welcome to Velox Networks. If you know the extension of the person you wish to contact, please enter it now. Otherwise, for sales, press 1.
Press
For support, press 2.
Press
For
2.
finance, press 3. Thank you for calling Velox Networks.
End call. How to check call history. Call history. Call, answered calls, dialed calls.
Welcome to Velox Networks. If you know
How to reboot. Menu. Scroll down. Reboot. Reboot now. Yes. Wait a few minutes.